Welcome to the Student Disability Resource Center at Georgia College and State University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment with our office. On your home page, in the center of the page, you will see any important announcements. Please read those announcements before proceeding. To schedule an appointment, first click on the Appointment button on the left. Any appointments that you have previously requested and were approved will be shown here. At this point, we have not requested any appointments. We're going to scroll down and click on Request New Appointment. We're going to start by choosing an appointment type. Most of the appointment types will have an option for either a virtual or in-person meeting. When choosing your appointment type, make sure you choose either the in-person or virtual option depending on your preference. If you choose a virtual appointment, we will email a link to a Microsoft Teams meeting to your Bobcats email address. If you're a student who has been emailed to schedule an intake meeting, you will select that type. If you've been emailed to schedule an intake follow-up meeting, select this type. If you need paperwork to take a standardized test, such as the GRE, you will click Standardized Testing Paperwork. If you have a general concern or just something in general that you would like to talk to Mr. Anderson or Ms. Miles about, click on General Concerns. And if you've been emailed to schedule a documentation discussion meeting, select this option. If you're already registered with our office, most of your appointments will fall into the General Concerns category. For this example, we're going to click on General Concerns in person. Finally, we'll click Done. Next, you can select a date range and a time range, but it is not required. Since this is a general concerns appointment, it can be made with either Mr. Anderson or Ms. Miles. We're going to select Mr. Anderson. On the right-hand side, you will see available appointment times. For this appointment, we'll choose the appointment time here. And a pop-up will open. You will need to confirm the details of your appointment here to make sure that everything is correct. When you scroll down, you will see a box for notes. In the notes box, you will type any notes regarding your appointment. For our example, since it is a general concerns appointment, we will type the reason for our meeting. We will then click Submit Request. At this point, you will see your appointment appear under the Requested Appointments column. Once your appointment has been approved, it will move over to the Approved Appointments side. As you can see, a staff member of the Student Disability Resource Center has now approved the appointment. And now it shows on that side. And that's all.